Ugi Biritu. Ugi Biritu c. 1937–15 March 1967 was a Papua New Guinean politician. He served as a member of the House of Assembly between 1964 and his death in 1967. Biography. Biritu was born around 1937 in Mumbai. He was baptized into the Lutheran Church between 1956 and 1958. He initially trained to be a teacher, before spending a year at the medical training school in Goroka, qualifying as an aide post-orderly. He worked for the Public Works Department as a laborer and plumber before becoming a peanut farmer in 1959. 2 years later, he moved to Lufa to work as an interpreter for the Department of Native Affairs. Biritu contested the Hanganofi constituency in the 1964 elections. Although he was illiterate, he was the only candidate to speak almost every language and dialect spoken in the constituency. Vono Azanifa received over 4,000 more first preference votes than Biritu, but Biritu received almost all the second preference votes from the other 3 candidates' voters, overtaking Azanifa on the 4th count. After being elected, he expanded his agricultural activities to start farming coffee, potatoes, cattle, and goats. Biritu died of an epileptic fit in Goroka in March 1967. His funeral was attended by more than 2,000 people. References